Good morning, children. I am Kuldeep Kaur, your IP teacher. In earlier classes, we had seen what is aggregation slash descriptive statistic data frame. Now, here we are going to see about quantile in data frame. Quantile statistic is a part of a set data. It is used to describe data in a clear and understandable way. The 0,30 quantile is basically saying that 30% of the observation in our data set is below a given line. On the other hand, it is also stating that there are 70% remaining above the line we set. Here down, the common quantiles are given there. Certain types of quantiles are used commonly enough to have a specific name. So these are the list. The 2 quantile is called medium, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this 1000 quantiles are called per miles. Now how we are going to use quantiles in our program? So we are going to see, this is a small program of quantiles which we are going to use now. Import pandas as PD, import numpy as np, df is equals to pd dot data frame bracket np dot array bracket 2 square brackets 1 comma 1 close 1 square bracket comma again opening of square bracket 2 comma 10 close square bracket comma opening square bracket 3 comma 100 close square bracket comma opening bracket square bracket 4 comma 1000 and close both the square brackets and small bracket comma columns is equals to square bracket single literals a comma again single literals b square bracket small bracket close print df print small bracket df dot quantile bracket 0.5 close both the bracket. So these are the output which is given. We had taken the value and the output we got 0 1 2 3 ab and the name. Output is ab 1 1 2 10 300 4000. In bracket we are given 1 comma 1, so we got that 1 1 ab 1 1. Next bracket 2 comma 10, so we got 210. Third bracket we had taken 300, so 300 and 4000 and a 2.5 and b 55.5. so the name 0.5, d type is float 64. So like this way we are going to use quantile in our program, in a Python program. This is a small program which is I want to clear about quantile. Now further we are going to see about what is aggregation descriptive statistic data frame. Variance function, this is a function name, so we are using var bracket. So variance function in Python pandas is used to calculate variance of a given set of numbers, comma variance of a data frame, comma variance of column and variance of rows. Now let us see the example of variance, how we are going to use variance in our Python program. Import pandas as pd, import numpy as np. Create a dictionary of series. D is equals to curly bracket, column name is name, colon, pd dot series, small bracket, square bracket and enter the name, close both the bracket, comma, next column is age, colon, pd dot series, small bracket, square bracket, enter age and close both the bracket, comma, score, colon, pd dot series, small bracket square bracket enter scores and close both the bracket and the end close curly bracket. Hash create a data frame. Df is equals to pd dot data frame bracket d and close bracket. Print bracket data frame contains. Print bracket df close bracket print bracket df dot where is our function name, where bracket opening closing and close bracket. So like this way we are going to use where function in our Python program. Now hashtag df dot lock bracket colon comma age close bracket dot where variance bracket for variance for of specific column. Hash df dot where bracket axis is equals to 0 bracket close column variance. Hash df dot where bracket axis is equals to 1 bracket close row variance. So variance is our last topic in our first chapter. Now our first chapter